Alright, and now this is the next level I'll be doing. Right here.
Who said an old lady can't slaughter?
Not me, ma'am.
But you thought it, Badger boy. You should respect your elders.
I will. I will.
Now tell me how great I did, Sonny.
As your enemy, all I can say is, you are not too terrible.
I can live with that.
The giant iceberg is leaking, so you need to plug and repair as many leaks as possible. Select one leak at a time and hold on to them to slow down the water. The player who lasts the longest will win the event.
I guess that's it. Anybody needs me, I'll be over there feeding my pet Precious.
You go do that, lady.
Here, Precious. 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 Mama's got treats.
If I were her pet, I would run away. Yeah, far, far away.
Okay, so now leaking it. And any of the vents right there, you would see that one. Yep. I win that one. It'll happen during the next level.